Hi guys, Yasin here. Now I will introduce a new smartphone and its amazing features. So watch full video content. A beautiful smartphone Note 9 Pro 5G is in your market. With an amazing feature Snapdragon 750G octa-core CPU, 108 megapixel quad rear camera, 6.67 full screen display, 120Hz screen refresh rate, 4820 mAh long high capacity battery. Note 9 Pro have a beautiful color shading and a big display screen. Snapdragon 750G and 120Hz display refreshment, 100 million pixel night view camera, dual stereo speaker, inner motor, flagship experience. To speed up to 20%, Note 9 Pro as compared to Note 8 Pro. An amazing gaming power, 11 temperature sensors, solid liquid cooling heat dissipation, 360 anti-lock antenna and 5G multi-links. Your mobile is very safe. 4820 mAh giant battery and large power of charging to your level. A high resolution camera, 100 million pixels, taking picture 3.8 times faster as compared to other mobiles. Full screen all camera force, 100 million pixel night view camera, ultra wide angle camera, portrait depth of field camera, a macro camera, 4 huge resolution cameras. A beautiful features here, 4K video recording, video tags, cinema grade video filters, film format. You can use a beautiful filters in your vlog. 120Hz ultra high refresh rate, low blue light eye screen, global eye protection, all weather eye protection, sunscreen, 360 ultra light. You can use eye comfort in your mobile. Corning 5th generation Gorilla Glass, double sided cover, anti-scratch and wear. Mobile phone comes with stealth raincoat. Flagship experience, multifunction NFC, infrared remote control, the side fingerprint, double protection, position navigation. Are you like this video? Then subscribe Tech Info.